Regular crunch. Lay on your back. Bend your knees in one line with your shoulders. Bring your hands over your neck, or if you have any low back problem, you can place your hands under your lower back. We're gonna start by squeezing your chin down to the chest and leaving the shoulder blades off the floor. Abs tight in. Exhale. Hold on top. Slowly release. Never release your chin. I don't want you to slide your chin up and down like this. Either your hands is right here. You're always squeezing your chin down to your chest.